Okay, let's start. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalam ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursaleen. Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri. Wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tamam bil khair. Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Walaikum assalam.
Walaikum assalam.
We will start. We'll do two things today. We'll learn a couple of lessons and we'll also continue the story from where we left, the story of Sam and how he wants to travel to an Arab land. And in specific, he travels to Egypt. We'll continue that story on Adnan's request. Question to you, Adnan. How do we say this is my school? Or this is my madrasa? I can't hear you, Adnan. How do you say my school?
My school, madrasatu.
Madrasati.
Madrasati.
Madrasatu or madrasatun is just school. A school.
Okay.
My school is madrasati. Like Ismi. Ismi, Adnan. Ismi is my name. Adnan is the name.
Okay.
My school similarly is madrasati.
Madrasati.
So madrasati is my school. How do you say this? Will you say hada or hadihi?
Hazihi.
Very good. So how will you say this is my school?
Hazihi madrasati.
Very good. Hadihi madrasati. This is my school. A question to Sadia. How do you say I am a new student? How will you say I am a new student, Sadia? Can you hear me, Sadia? Okay, Sadia is gone out. We'll continue with you, Adnan. How do you say I am a student new? How do you say I?
Aina.
Anna. Anna is I.
Ana.
Aina is where? So, Anna is I. How do you say student?
Ana. Talibatun. Jadidun.
Talibatun is female student. So, you'd say Anna talibun
Talibun. Jadidun.
jadidun. Very good. Anna talibun jadidun is I am a new student. If it was female student, if it was Sadia, how will she say I am a new student?
Ana. Jadidun.
Again, Anna.
Ana talibatun jadidun.
Anna talibatun jadidatun.
Okay. Ana talibatun jadidun.
Anna talibatun jadidatun. Talibatun is female student. Jadidatun is female new. So, she should say Anna talibatun jadidatun. How do we say Hamid has 4 sons? We say Li Hamidin. Hamid has 4 sons. Would be Arba'atu Abna'in. Hamid has 4 sons. Li Hamidin Arba'atu Abna'in. Or we say Hamidun Lahu Arba'atu Abna'in. Hamid, he has 4 sons, which is also correct. So we can either say Li Hamidun or Hamidun Lahu Arba'atu Abna'in. How do we say I have 5 pens? you'd say li. Li is I have. Khamsatu aqlamin. Khamsatu is female 5. Aqlamin is pens. You'd say ana li, or simply li khamsatu aqlamin. How do we say this, Adnan? How do we say Hamid has 4 sons?
Uh,
How do you say Hamid has? You say li Hamidin.
Li Hamdan.
So li Hamidin is Hamid has. How do we say 4 sons? Four sons is arba'atu abna'in. Arba'atu is 4. Abna'in is sons. So how do we say this, Adnan?
Sorry, I was on mute. Hamidun lahu arba'atu abnan.
Very good. Hamidun lahu arba'atu abna'in. Now same answer without saying.
Lahu arba'atu abnan.
Very good. How do we say I have 5 pens?
Ana
Li Hamidan is for Hamid. Li is for me. I have. Ana li.
li
How do we say 5? Khamsatu. Khamsatu aqlamin. So you say either indi or you can say li. Li khamsatu aqlamin. So what is this answer, Adnan?
li khamsatu akhlamin.
Very good again.
Li khamsatu akhlamin.
Very good. Now previous one. How do we say Hamid has 4 sons?
Hamidu lahu arba'atu abnan.
Very good. Hamidun lahu arba'atu abna'in. So if we use the li for the next answer, we would say li. Li is I have. Li. How do we say 5?
Khamsatu
Very good. Khamsatu
khamsatu
aqlam.
akhlamin.
So li khamsatu aqlamin is I have 5 pens. Okay, now Zahan has joined us, so we'll ask Zahan a question. How do you say this, Zahan? How do you translate this? In our country, there are many masajids and schools and few hotels. Country is Baladun. Baladun is a country. How do we translate this, Zahan?
Yes, Sakib Chacha.
Just how do you translate this sentence on the screen?
What is country you said?
Baladun. Baladun is a country.
Baladun. So fi baladun.
After fi, you will not have Baladun. You will have Baladin. Fi Baladin will be in a country.
Fi
Fi Baladin is in a country. How do you say in our country?
I have no idea.
How did you say my school? How do you say this is my school? My school is Madrasati. This is my school is Hatihi Madrasati. How do you say this is my school?
Hazihi madrasati.
Very good. How will you say this is our school? How will you say our Lord or our Rabb? What is the dua you ask for happiness in the dunya and in the hereafter? What is the dua that you ask?
Rabbana.
Say Rabbana Atina
Ah,
fid dunya hasana
Fid dunya.
wa fil akhirati hasana wa qina adhaban nar. So you say Rabbana Atina. So you'll use na instead of e. You'll use na. So you'll say Hadihi Madrasatuna. Madrasatun is our school. Madrasatuna is our school. So how do you say this is our school?
Hazihi madrasatuna.
Very good. Now, how will you say in our country?
Hello.
How do you say in our country?
So it should be fi balidna.
Fi baladina.
In our fi baladina.
How do you say masajids?
Al masajid or masajid.
Very good. So the masjids would be al masajidu, but masjids, general, indefinite masjids would be masajidu. So in this pattern, so when we have patterns like this for plural, we have masajidu. So plural will not be masajidun, it will be masajidu. And how do we say school? How do we say schools? What do you say for one school? How do you say school, Zahan? How did you say this is my school? What was the first slide that we saw? Where we said this is my school. How do you say school? School is madrasa. Madrasatun is a school. How do you say schools? How do you say schools even in Urdu? It's the same word. How do you say schools, Adnan?
Madrasatun.
Madrasatun is one school. How do you say many schools? You say madaris. So you say madarisu. Say madarisu. Okay. Now, plural of hotel also follows this pattern. Hotel is funduk. Fundukun is a hotel. Now, how will you put plural of funduk in this pattern? Like we have masajidu, we have madarisu. Plural of funduk with these letters, how will it come in the same pattern, Adnan? How will it come in the same pattern, Zahan, Adnan? It becomes fanadiku. What does it become? What is plural hotels? How do we say many hotels? One hotel is fundukun. How do we say hotels, plural? We say fanadiku. Fanadiku is hotels. When you have plurals of this pattern, and these are not the regular plurals. Regular plural is Muslimun, Muslimuna. Muslimatun, female Muslim, Muslimatun. That's the regular plural. Now this is not a regular plural. This is a type of plural that you see here and there. When it comes of this pattern, so when you have the masajidu, madarisu, fanadiku pattern, you will not have double. Like a masjid is masjidun, but many masjids is not masajidun, it is masajidu. It has only one u. Same way, many madrasas is not madarisun, it is madarisu. Many hotels is fanadiku, it has only one dhamma. Now question to Adnan and Zahan, how do you say many hotels? One hotel is fundukun. How do you say many hotels?
Fanadiku.
Fanadiku. If you have a ya over here, you use the same rule. Like
Funduk.
funduk is hotel. So week, 1 week, how many days does a week have, Adnan?
7.
7 days. Week in Arabic is usbu'un. Plural of usbu'un, which is weeks, many weeks. There are 52 weeks in a year. So when you say weeks, or you say there are 4 weeks in a month. So when you say weeks, it is asa, bu. So here, this is asa. So you have here fana diqu. Here you have an extra ya. We have asa bu. Here also, even when you have a ya here and you have a long e, you use the same rule. So usbu'un becomes asa bu. It does not become asa bi'un. And this is the rule of broken plurals or irregular plurals of this pattern. So now Zahan, you're not answering. Okay, Zahan has dropped. How do we say masajids, Adnan? How do we say mosques? Masajidu. Very good. And how do we say schools? We say madarisu. And how do we say hotels? Fanadiku. Now how do we say this sentence? In our country are many masajids. We say fi baladina masajidu kathiratun. This is masajids. It is non-human plural because masajids are not living things, are not humans. So many will be kathiratun. Fi baladina masajidu wa madarisu kathiratun wa fanadiqu qalilatun. Qalil is opposite of kathir. It's a fi baladina masajidu wa madarisu kathiratun wa fanadiqu qalilatun. So how do you translate this, Adnan?
baladina masajid wa madarisu kasiru wa fanadihu qalilatun.
Qalilatun. Kathiratun, qalilatun. This is not broken plural, so this will have one. Kathiratun and qalilatun will have one. But what will not have one is masajidu, madarisu and fanadiku. Again, Adnan, how do you translate this? In our country are many masajids and schools and few hotels.
masajidu wa madarisu kasiratu wa fanadihu.
Very good. How is your cold now, Adnan?
Better, sir. Yeah.
You still seem to have a little bit of cough, but you sound much better now, alhamdulillah.
Yes, sir.
Very good. How do we say are these doctors? Before that, how do we say doctors? How do we say one doctor? What is ana talibun? What is ana talibun? Ana talibun is I am a student. How do we say I am a doctor? You would say ana tabibun. Ana tabibun. I am a doctor. How do we say doctor, Adnan? Doctor is tabibun. Doctors is atibba'u. Atibba'u is doctors. How do you say are these doctors? Or are these people doctors? Let's say haula'i atibba'u. Let's say haula'i atibba'u. These is haula'i. Those is ulaika. Those is for something far, ulaika. But something close by is haula'i. So you'd say haula'i atibba'u. Yes, are these doctors? Okay, we'll pause here. We'll go to story. Let's see who remembers where we left and let's see who remembers the story. What's the name of the person in the story, Adnan? What's the name of the person who wants to travel to Egypt? Do you remember the name of the person, Adnan?
Sam.
Sam. So Sam is the man who wants to travel to Egypt. What is he doing now? Is he working? Is he studying? What does Sam do?
He's a medical student.
Very good. So he is a medical student. He's studying to become a doctor. That is Sam. How many brothers and sisters does he have? How many brothers and sisters does
One
Sam have?
brother and two sisters.
Very good. So he has one brother, which is Akhun, and two sisters. Ukhtani. Ukhtun is one sister. Ukhtani is two sisters. Are they younger or elder?
All are younger than him.
Correct. All are younger, and in fact, I think all of them go to school. So Sam is in college. He goes to university, and the younger brother and two sisters, if I'm correct, go to school. Ikhwatu Samun, so the siblings of Sam, Athalathatu, the three of them, Yadhabuna ilal madrasati. They go to the school, and Sam is the only one who is in college. He is studying medicine. Why does Sam want to travel to Arab land? Why does he want to travel to Egypt?
To eat Arabic food.
Correct. And to learn Arabic language. So the people who are working in the restaurants where Sam goes to say that you like Arabic food, you'll definitely like the Arabic language also. So you should go and learn the Arabic language. So that's why Sam wants to go to the Arab land. Okay. How much have we seen? So we've seen what he says to his mother and to his sisters. We've seen that his brother and two sisters also want to travel with him. So they say, look, we also want to come with you. So we did this poll last class. So who thinks, we will mark here. So who thinks that the siblings travel with Sam? The siblings travel with Sam is on the right. Sam travels alone is on the left. So who thinks that the siblings travel with Sam and all three of them travel? And who thinks Sam travels alone? What do you think, Adnan? So Sam, is he going to travel alone, or is he going to take his brother and two sisters with him? Are you there, Adnan? Okay, so Adnan is not able to annotate. Rahil aunty feels Sam travels alone. We will see. في يوم التالي, the next day, يعطي أبو سام, Sam's father gives Sam بعض النقود. بعض النقود is some money. يشتري سام تذكرة الطائرة ويشتري ملابس صيفية لأن الجو في مصر ليس باردا. So Sam is in America, and how is the weather in America? Generally cold. And how is the weather in Egypt? It is generally hot. So what does Sam do with the money? He buys Tadhkirat al-Ta'ira. Tadhkirat al-Ta'irati is ticket of the flight. So he buys the flight ticket. وَيَشْتَرِي مَلَابِسَ صَيْفِيَّةِ. He buys summer clothes. He buys light clothes because the weather in Egypt is not cold. He has cold clothes which he generally wears in America. And here he is wearing, or he's buying, light clothes. He's buying like cotton clothes that he can wear in hot weather. ويشتري أيضا كتابا جديدة عن مصر. And he also buys ويشتري, and he buys also كتابا جديدة عن مصر. What is كتابا Adnan? So this is كتبا. What is كتبا? What is كتبا? Kutuban is books. Kitab is one book. Kutub is books. So you have Kutuban Jadidatan. Because it is books, it is non-human plural, you treat it like she. So with Kutub, you not say Jadid or Judud, you say Jadidatun. So Aidan, Kutuban Jadidatan, he buys new books on Misra, about Egypt. He's buying books to learn about Egypt, to learn about what people do there, what is the culture there. Yaqra'u Samun al-Kitaba kullaha. So Sam reads all of the books. He's very excited to travel to Egypt. He reads the books. Kullaha is all of them. He reads all of the books. He's very excited to travel to Egypt. Samun yaqra'ul kutuba kulla yawm. He reads the books every day. Samun yaqra'u al-kutuba laylan wa naharan. He reads the books in the night and day. What is Sam studying, Adnan, in university? He was studying medicine. But he does not like medicine. So now he finds something that he likes. He likes to travel, and he's traveling to Arabic land. So he's reading these books night and day. So he likes doing this. Samun yuhibbu Misra. Sam likes Egypt. Wafi yawmi safari. On the day of travel, yada'u Samun malabisahu fi haqibati safari. In the day of the travel, yada'u puts. So yada'u Samun. On the day of the travel, Sam puts malabisahu fi haqibati safari. His clothes in the travel bag. So he starts traveling, he starts packing his bag only on the day of the travel. He does not do it in advance. وَيَأْخُذُ جَوَازَ السَّفَرِ. And he puts, Jawaz al-Safar is passport. And he puts his passport, وَتَذْكِرَةَ الطَّائِرَةِ, the ticket of the flight. So what all does he put in his bag? He puts clothes, he puts his passport, he puts his flight ticket, wal kutuba, and books, allati an Misra, which are about Egypt. He takes also the books with him. Abu Samin wa ummuhu wa ikhwatahu yadhabuna ma'ahu ila al-matari bis-sayyarati. So who all goes to send Sam off? To send Sam off, you have his father, Abu Samin, wa ummuhu, and his mother, wa ikhwatuhu, and his siblings, yadhabuna ma'ahu, go with him. So it's only Sam who's traveling to Egypt. The other brother and sisters are too young. So Sam is the one traveling to Egypt. The others travel with him till the airport. Ilal Matari is to the airport. Bis Sayarati is by car. Fil Matari Yaqulu Samun li usratahu. In the airport, Sam says to his family, Ma'a salamati. So Ma'a salamati means goodbye, or with salama, with peace. So this is what you say when you're leaving someone. So in the airport, while leaving, Sam tells them Ma'a salama. Ummuhu tabki وتقول له اكتب لي رسالة. So his mother cries as Sam is leaving, and she tells him, write me a letter. Ummuhu hazinatan. So the mother does not want Sam to go far. The mother is also sad. Abuhu yaqulu lahu. His father tells him, Iqra kutubat tibba. So what is the father telling Sam?
Study the books of medicine.
Correct. So he tells, look, read books on medicine. And what is Sam's father? What is his profession?
Is he also a doctor, ma?
Correct. He's a doctor. He wants Sam also to become a doctor. So he tells Sam, look, you are going to Egypt. It's okay. You can go there and you can go learn Arabic, but also read books on medicine. Keep in touch with medicine. I want you to become a doctor. Abuhu laisa sa'idan. His father is also not happy. Akhuhu as-saghiru yaqulu lahu. His younger brother tells him, Arsil ilayya suratan al-ihramati thalathati. So the younger brother says, send me picture of the 3 pyramids. Arsil ilayya, send to me suratan, picture of ihramati thalathati, of the 3 pyramids. Ukhtuhu taqulu lahu. His sister tells him, Arsil ilayya, send me qalilan min ma'in Nil. So his sister likes the Nile River. So she tells him, look, send me some water from the Nile River. I want to have water from the Nile River. She thinks it's going to be tasty and sweet. So she says, look, don't send me pictures, don't send me toys, don't send me chocolates. Get me water of the Nile River. Tarji'u al-usratu ila al-bayti. Returns the family to the house. Sam goes onward to the flight to go to Egypt, and the rest of the family returns back home. Tarji'u al-usratu ila al-bayti. وَيَرْكَبُ سَامُ الطَّائِرَةَ. And Sam boards the flight. ثُمَّ تُطِيرُ. Tutiru is he flies. بعد ذلك, after that, يُعْتُونَ سَامٌ الطَّعَامَ. After that, Sam takes food. يَأْكُلُ سَامُ الطَّعَامَ. Sam eats food. وَيَشْرَبُ الْمَاءَ. And he drinks water. وَالْأَسِيرَ. And juice. وَالشَّايَ. And tea. الطعام جيد والشاي حار. So in the flight, the food is, what is جيد? جيد is nice or good. So the food is good. والشاي حار. What is حار? And how is the tea? The tea is حار.
Harun, I think, is hot, ma.
Hot. Correct. So on the flight, Sam finds the food to be jayid, to be good. Washayu harun. And the tea is hot. Samun mut'abun wa yuridu an yanama qalilan. Samun mut'abun. What is mut'abun? We saw in the previous story also. So Mansur also, when he is traveling, he is mut'abun. And the other people who are traveling with Sam are mut'abun. But they are also mut'abun. What is mut'abun?
Uncomfortable.
No. You are close. Mut'abun is something very close. Mut'abun is tired. Sam is tired. وَيُرِيدُ أَنْ يَنَامَ قَلِيلًا. And he wants to sleep a little. وَلَكِنَّهُ لَا يَسْتَطِيعُ لِأَنَّ كُرْسِي الطَّائِرَةِ صغير ولأنه يفكر في مصر. ولكنه is but he لا يستطيع is not able to لأن كراسي الطائرة. Why is he not able to sleep? Because the seats of the flight are صغير. The seats of the flight are small. There's not too much space. There's very little leg room, and the seats are small, so they are little uncomfortable. وَلِأَنَّهُ يُفَكِّرُ فِي مِصْرَ. And because he يُفَكِّرُ فِي مِصْرَ, he is thinking about Egypt. وَفِي رِحْلَتَهُ إِلَى مِصْرَ, and his travel to Egypt. وَفِي الْفَنَادِقِ الَّتِي سَوْفَ يَعِيشُ فِيهِ, and he thinks about the hotel in which he is soon going to stay. وَفِي الْجَامِعَةِ الَّتِي سَوْفَ يَدْرُسُ فِيهَا, and he thinks about the university in which he is going to study. So he's thinking about a lot of these things. He's thinking about Egypt, and he's thinking about the travel. How is he going to reach the airport? How is he going to go from the airport to the hotel, and which hotel he will stay in, and about the university where he is planning to study. ويفكر أيضا في الأصدقاء الذين سوف يتكلم معهم, and he thinks about the friends who soon will start talking to him, and these are friends from university, because he's going to university to learn Arabic. There'll be a lot of other students like him, and he'll make friends. So he thinks about these friends whom he's going to make. Sam يفكر كثيرا ولا يستطيع أن ينام. So Sam thinks about all of these a lot, and لا يستطيع, he is not able to أن ينام. What is أن ينام?
Sleep.
Very good. أن ينام is to sleep. So are you back again with us, Adnan? We lost you for a while. What do you think will happen next, Adnan? He's in the flight and he's thinking about Egypt and what he will do there. So what do you think will happen next? Okay, we'll continue. We'll do another small part of the story and we'll stop. بعد 7 ساعات تصل الطائرة. After 7 hours, تصل الطائرة, the flight arrives. تنزل في مطار القاهرة. It lands in the airport of Cairo. يأخذ سام حقيبته ويركب سيارة أجرة من المطار إلى الفندق. So يأخذ سام حقيبته. Sam takes his bag. ويركب سيارة, and he takes سيارة أجرة. He takes a taxi from the airport to the hotel. الفندق بعيد عن المطار. The hotel is far from the airport. الجو حار في الصيف. The weather is hot in summer. So he goes there during summer. The weather is very hot. الشوارع مزدحمة بالناس. والشوارع, who remembers what is شوارع? Shawari'u is streets. Shari'un is one street. Shawari'u is streets. What is Muzdahimatu? This is what we saw in the Mansoor story, that the roads are Muzdahimatun. The buses, Al-Hafilatu Muzdahimatun. The buses
Crowded.
crowded. So the streets are crowded. Bin Nasi. with people. وَالسَّيَّارَاتُ وَالْحَافِلَاتُ. So the streets are crowded with people and sayyaratun, cars, وَالْحَافِلَاتُ, and buses. So all the streets are very crowded. There are too many people and cars and buses. Ba'dun nasi, some of the people, yamshuna fi shari, some people walk in the street. Ba'du sayyaratu allar rasifi, some of the cars in Rasif I think is like main road. So some cars are on the main road. Ma hada, what is this? Hada hisanun fi shari. So this is hisanun. Hisanun, I think, is horse. So this is hisanun. Horse. So he sees a horse on the street. In America, typically you do not have horses and cows and animals on the street. But here he sees a horse on the street. Ma hada himarun fishari. There's a donkey on the street. Ashawariu, the streets, fiha, in them. Qatatun wa kilabun. Qitatun wa kilabun. So in the streets are cats and dogs. So there are a lot of animals on the streets which he has not seen in America. He does not see animals on the street. Hata shayun ajibun. This is a strange thing. Shayun is thing. Ajibun is strange. Ajib, I'm not sure if it's strange or if it is amazing or it's different or wonderful. So we'll put ajib. Marvelous. So he finds this odd or he finds this wonderful that you have all of these animals on the street. Ashawariu fi, the streets in America, laisa fiha hayawanat. So the streets in America do not have in them animals. You only have people and cars and buses on the streets, but here you have a lot of animals also. Sa'iqu sayyaratin, so the driver or the captain of the car, al ujrata, of the taxi car, yatakallamu ma'a samun bil arabiyati. The taxi driver speaks to Sam in Arabic, and Sam doesn't know a lot of Arabic. He knows English. The taxi driver starts speaking to the Sam in Arabic, which is the language that he knows. Masmuka. What is masmuka? Masmuka is, what is your name? Min aina anta? Where are you from? Mada taf'alu fil Qahira? What are you doing in Cairo? Samun la yafhamu sa'iqi. Sam does not understand the driver because he's speaking in Arabic. And Sam still doesn't know Arabic. He's coming here to learn Arabic. Samun yaqulu Sari, so he tells him, Sari,
Sorry.
sorry. So he says, sorry. I
don't.
don't understand.
I don't understand.
He says, sorry, I don't understand. Samun yatakallamu ma'a sa'iqi bil ingliziyati. And Sam starts speaking to the driver in English. How are you?
What is your name?
What is your name? Do you have Skins. So what is this? Do you have kids? Asaiqu la yafhamuhu. The driver does not understand him. Asaiqu yaqulu asifun. Asifun is sorry. La afhamu. Asaiqu yaqulu. The driver says Amrika. So the driver finally pulls up a word in English. So he knows America and he says America. Means are you from America? George Bush, no good. So he says America, George Bush, no good. And this is long back. So this is long back before President Obama when George Bush was the president. So he says George Bush, no good. Samun Yakulu, yes, yes. America, George Bush, no good. So he says, yes, I agree with you. So America, George Bush, all of them no good. Asaiqu yadhaku, the driver starts laughing. Asaiqu sa'idun, the driver is happy that okay, he's managed to say something to Sam and Sam agrees with him. Samun yadhaku, Sam also laughs. Samun aidan sa'idan, Sam is also happy that he's managed to have a conversation. So question, where is Sam going with the driver? He's going from the airport to where? To which place?
Egypt.
Correct, in Egypt. So he's landed in Cairo. He's taken a taxi. He's taking the taxi to where? So he's taken the taxi from the airport to
To a hotel.
a hotel. So he's on the way to the hotel and he's speaking to the driver. And inshallah, we'll continue tomorrow with what happens further. So what happens when he reaches the hotel and how does he get to the university? How does he start studying Arabic and what all happens to him? It's a very interesting story. So he almost gets into trouble and we'll see what happens to Sam in the next class, inshallah. So any questions on what we've covered? Any questions, Arjun? Okay, with that we'll close. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, wa astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Ma salama, and see you all tomorrow inshallah at 12:30.
جزاك الله خير.
Wa yakum.